Have you ever wondered how creators make those clean, cinematic storyboard videos that instantly grab your attention? These videos are getting millions of views across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram because they keep people watching from the very first second. In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process from creating a viral storyboard to transforming it into an engaging AI video that looks like it was made by a professional. Let's get started. To make this process even easier, I've already created a master template prompt that will help you generate both professional storyboard prompts and detailed video prompts with minimal effort. I've carefully refined and tested this template to make sure it's reliable, well-structured, and free from common errors. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can simply use this template to create high-quality results in just a few minutes. You'll find the link to download the master template in the video description below. Step number 1. First, open ChatGPT. Once it's ready, go back to the Google Docs file and copy the entire master template prompt. Make sure you copy everything, as it's a fairly long prompt. Next, paste it into the ChatGPT prompt box and click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will suggest 10 unique video ideas for you. Take a moment to browse through them, and if none of the ideas stand out, simply type More Ideas. ChatGPT will instantly generate a fresh set of ideas for you. Once you found an idea you like, copy it and paste it back into ChatGPT. After you submit the idea, ChatGPT will ask you to choose your preferred video duration. 10 seconds using the OmniFlash model, or 15 seconds using the Seance 2.0 fast model. I'll select the 10-second option. Next, ChatGPT will ask whether you want to use your own avatar image. If you don't want a custom character in your video, simply reply with no. If you do want to include yourself or a custom character, upload your avatar image when prompted. For this example, I'll upload my avatar image. Once that's done, ChatGPT will automatically generate a complete professional storyboard prompt along with a detailed video generation prompt based on your selected idea. With both prompts ready, we're all set to move on to the next step. Step number 2. Now open Google Gemini AI. Once it's open, go back to ChatGPT and copy the storyboard prompt that was generated. Then return to Gemini AI. Before pasting the prompt, upload your avatar image as a reference if you're using a custom character in your video. If you're not using an avatar, you can simply skip this step. Next, paste the storyboard prompt into Gemini AI and click Generate. After just a few seconds, Gemini AI will create your complete storyboard image, giving you a clear visual reference for every scene in your video. Once the image is ready, download it to your device as we'll use it in the next step of the workflow. Step number 3. Now open Flow AI and create a new project. The first thing you'll need to do is upload the storyboard image you generated with Gemini AI. Once the image has been uploaded, click the three-dot menu on the image and select Add to Prompt. This will automatically insert the storyboard image into the prompt box, allowing Flow AI to use it as the visual reference for your video. Next, go back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt that was generated earlier and paste it into the prompt box in Flow AI. After that, adjust the settings according to your preferences. For this tutorial, set the aspect ratio to your desired format. Choose a 10-second duration and select the OmniFlash model. Once everything is set up, click Generate and wait a few moments while Flow AI processes your request. In just a few seconds, your AI-generated video will be ready to preview and download. You can imagine almost any idea and turn it into a complete AI-generated video. Simply describe your concept in ChatGPT. For example, I could type, "Write a storyboard for a short animated story about a dog that gets lost in a city and eventually finds its way back home." Click Generate and ChatGPT will automatically transform your idea into a professional storyboard concept, complete with a detailed storyboard image prompt and a matching video generation prompt. Once the prompts are ready, the workflow is exactly the same as before. Use the storyboard prompt in Gemini AI to generate your storyboard image. Then download the finished image to your device. Next, open Flow AI. Upload the storyboard image as your visual reference. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Adjust your preferred settings if needed. Click Generate, and within a few moments, your animated video will be ready. That's all there is to it. Just repeat the same process with any idea you can imagine and create unlimited, unique AI videos. And that's it. You now have everything you need to create unlimited AI-generated storyboard animations from almost any idea. I hope this tutorial helped make the entire process simple and easy to follow. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.